So I'd like to show you how easy it is to use this utility to export records out of Goldmine. So the first page that you will see when you launch the application is the Goldmine database settings that would allow you to connect to the Goldmine SQL database. So this will include your SQL server name that's hosting your Goldmine database, the corresponding SQL username and password that have access to the database, and you have to specify the contact set SQL database and the GM-base SQL database. Most occasions they are the same, but they could also be different. You simply need to log into Goldmine, select Help About, and click System to identify the proper SQL database that you need to specify on this setting. So after you have typed in or populated all these fields, you click on Test Connection, and once your connection is verified, you can then click Next. And in this case, if you simply want to export history, then we can simply click on Modify Fields. I want to export all fields and select the Export to File. Right now the file will be exported to ctemp exports, and we can also have a condition that we can say conhist.create on is greater than a date 3 years ago. Like that. So we're saying that we only want records that were created after 3 years ago from today. So we're going to export this as a CSV file. So all I need to do now is click on Next, and the export is finished. And if we go and take a look at this folder, we have the CSV file. We'll open it, and it has a bunch of history records available for us. So it only had 173 records for the last 3 years, but these are test records. So that's how you would be using the application to export history records based on a particular date in the past. In this case, anything after 3 years ago. Hopefully this helps you in setting up the application at your client site.